there, people. It is Lindy O321 on, YouTube. These people. Anyway, I guess y'all can tell it's really dark outside. Driving as always. And, I want to give a quick update on, my fourth month and 1 week post-gastric sleeve. Let's see, I'll start with my numbers. The highest number I can ever remember on a scale was around anywhere from 305 to 310. When I started my journey for weight loss surgery, I believe, anyway, I was around 262. So, I had lost some weight. I went on a diet in between there, gained some of it back, and just decided, look, I can't do this by myself anymore. I've been dealing with this since I was 9 years old. If I lose it, I'm going to gain it back. Yada, yada, yada. Same old story. The same old insane thing would happen. I would go on a crash diet. Do good for a while, then boom. Here we go with my binge eating disorder. Full force, take control within 2 or 3 months. 6 months with their hard work of losing weight, I would gain, 20, 30, 40. Anyway, I've gained all my weight back I've gained every bit of my weight back 2 different times. I lost down to my goal weight twice, and 150 pounds 2 different times, and I was back up to 300 for the first time after my second time I've lost down to 150. So, after those kind of struggles, you kind of get it in your mind, and you kind of know you got a problem. And I finally decided to go and get gastric sleeve. Do I regret it? No. I've had some issues, and I'm not going to lie when I say that I'm not having any issues. And it seems like every time I get on here, I just complain, and I'm hoping that this is a place that people understand me, and, I don't know if I can help anybody, but I'll find some friends on here so many times, and I think being real and telling the truth and being honest about your struggles and where you are and how to come through those things. I've listened to all of you, and it's helped me. So, anyway, I'm hoping that talking through this, facing my fears and my problems is one day that's going to pay off, and I'm going to see victory. Where I'm at right now, at 4 months and 1 week, is I'm at around 225 pounds. Aunt Flo has been on his way to my house for all last week, and is still here this week, and I haven't started yet. I'm waiting on her to get here so I can get some kind of normality in my life, because I go absolutely bonkers in this other month. I eat horribly. This past week, I have eaten terrible. I just try to maintain my weight. My bowel movement sucks. Anyway, I'm looking to start any moment now, so I'm hoping to go ahead and start. Hopefully that's going to get it behind me, and I'm going to be a little bit better off, because it's just been horrible. Everybody can relate. So, I'm about at 225 right now. Almost around 40 pounds down. And, that's okay. 4 months, anywhere from 35 to 40 pounds. Depends on what day it is and how much I ate that day. But, here lately I've been wondering, if my surgery even worked. And maybe I hope somebody will respond to me about this. My sleeve, there's just times when I can it's like I don't even have a restriction sometimes. And I mean, at other times it's like so restricted. And, not so restricted, but a normal restriction of what I would think that I would have. But then at other times, it's like, where is my restriction? Why am I not getting full? What is wrong? Is that in my mind? Granted, I do get kind of ill. I think it's almost dumping. In the last couple of days, I think I've had something close to dumping. And it has been strictly from overeating. So I think my body's been toxic because I have just for some reason, had the need to shovel food down my belly. And to the point, and I'm ashamed to say that I'm going to be accountable, around 1,500 calories when I'm only supposed to be eating 800 calories. I'm going through the 12 steps to try to help me with this eating disorder. People, it's real, and it's a day by day, hour by hour, moment by moment. But anyway, I really have been struggling with all the eating here lately. So I'm hoping that after influ passes on, if that ever happens, I'll be better. So I don't know if that's complaining or not, but anyway. My exercise is not good. I do exercise some, but what I do is Zumba, and I have been taking another class that she's pretty good. She does some kickboxing, and then we do weight training. So that class is really good. I exercise at least 2 or 3 times a week, and so it's not like I'm not doing any. It's just like I'm not where I need to be at this time. I mean, I should be going at full force. This is the time when, my focus should be solely on weight loss, exercise, all the rules, and I have a very, very stressful job, and it causes me, I'm on the road right now at 11:32 at night trying to get to a hotel to be gone for the next 3 days from home. So I'll be on the road, and it makes it very difficult when I'm driving. I have a really hard time with not eating on the road, because it's sheer boredom. I don't like to think about my problems. I don't like to think about how I'm going to handle things. So the way I handle everything is I handle it with food. The good thing is, the positive thing is that I'm realizing this. I'm realizing I don't process my emotions. I eat for my emotions. I learned a new thing. The first step is that we are powerless over whatever our addiction is. And I used to think, well, as soon as I get in that moment where I want to eat, I want to say, well, I'm powerless. A friend of mine that's a counselor, he told me that's not what it meant. It meant whenever I take that bite of food, then I'm reclaiming my power, and I'm taking my power back. I'm taking it out of God's hands, and I'm putting it back in my hands and saying, you know what? I'm taking back control of power. And it's a new way for me to look at everything, and so I'm trying to keep that in front and center. But anyway, other than that, I'm positive about the future. I'm hoping that I'm going to get on track eventually. I mean, there's times when I do okay. There's times when I make a few strides, and then I have setbacks, and that's just part of life. I'm dealing with it the best I can. I'm keeping accountable, being real, telling my story, listening to you all. It gets me through, and I just want to thank everybody for being there, and we understand each other, and it's good to have that kind of family in the community, and God bless you all, and see you soon.